Hello, this is Bill Scheid from Applied Finance Research. Dr. Van Tharp says we don't trade the markets, we trade our beliefs about the markets. So we're going to take a look at the market beliefs behind the monthly asset allocation systems. And specifically, we're going to take a look at the top 3 market beliefs behind these systems. There are more than 3, but these are 3 of the most important and impactful. So belief number 1, market volatility will continue to increase as the pace of global change continues to accelerate. So this is going to manifest not only in the size and speed of market drops and gains, but in the size and locations of capital flows between global markets. For example, as an example of the increasing size and speed of market drops, during the COVID crash, the S&P 500 took only 22 trading days to fall 30% from its record high on February 19th of 2020. That makes it the fastest drop of this magnitude in the entire history of the stock market. In terms of the size and locations of capital flows between global markets, a belief that I have is with emerging economies making such huge developmental strides, we may witness in the coming years a changing of the guard in terms of the economic hegemony. Focus Economics predicts that Libya will be the 5th fastest growing economy in the world over the next few years. Now, earlier in my lifetime, Libya was high on the list of places I would have thought would be destroyed by violence and war, and certainly would not be growing as fast as it would need to be the 5th fastest growing economy in the world. And now that's actually what they're predicting. So change is going to be happening in unexpected ways. Oh, by the way, the same research predicts that Guyana will be the fastest growing economy over the next few years. That'll be the number 1, not number 5 like Libya, but number 1. And that rate of growth, their rate of growth is going to be 25.8% per year. That's crazy fast. So things are going to continue to change faster than ever and in new and unexpected ways. Belief number 2, institutional money will continue to move the markets as it repositions between global market sectors, searching for returns and seeking to manage risk. According to Investopedia, 80% of the volume of the trades on the New York Stock Exchange is from institutional investors. And according to Seeking Alpha, the 10 largest institutional investors control more than $40 trillion in assets. 40 trillion. By only the top 10 largest institutional investors. The problem with talking about how big 40 trillion is that it's really hard for the human brain to get a perspective on how big that number is. So for a perspective, I'm going to invite you to imagine a jet flying at the speed of sound, and behind it, it's reeling out a roll of dollar bills as it goes. Well, it would take 560 years of flying at the speed of sound before that jet rolled out $40 trillion. That is a lot of money, and that kind of money can really move the markets. Belief number 3, the 2 factors above will create enormous opportunities for agile investors and money managers who can align their portfolios with these trends. So having a systematic, quantitative, and academically rigorous system for identifying these trends and positioning one's portfolio to take advantage of these capital flows is going to be an enormous edge. I heard Ken Long one time call it whale watching. So we look at where the big money is flowing and we go there. What I really want to highlight here with all of this is that the speed of global change and the amount of global change is going to create huge opportunity, and that opportunity is also going to be accompanied by increased risk. So the question becomes, how do we take advantage of the opportunity in a systematic and risk managed way? How do we take advantage in a systematic and risk managed way? And the monthly asset allocation systems are one answer to that very question. If you'd like more information about the monthly asset allocation systems, please visit appliedfinanceresearch.com or click on any of the links below this video. Thanks for watching and happy investing.